Hello, Jim Tech Boys. We're checking out today the VD80BT Lite wireless automotive diagnostic tool from VDIAGTOOL. Now last year we did the VD70S, so it'll be interesting to see what differences, if any, there is there. So you can see here on the front, auto scan, manual, special function, service center, remote control settings. Kind of all the same there. This does over 10,000 cars. 8-inch touchscreen, 1280 by 8. Android 10, quad core, 64 ROM, 4 RAM, 2.4 and 5 GHz and 8 megapixel camera. On the back, you can see there is some little differences there. You've still got Android 10. But yeah, we're just doing an unboxing today, showing you this and just compare the other one. So here we go. Nice case. Nothing's gonna get damaged inside that. Alright. Let's open it up. And yeah, this goes around. Okay. So in here we've got our plugs, USB-C adapter and different plug adapters for different regions. You've got USB-C, USB-C cable. So just pop them back in there. Got a user guide here how to use it, but we'll be going through all that. And of course you've got the wireless adapter, which you just pop in and basically you're ready to go. Pretty neat. Just put that back in there. And close it up, and underneath we have got the unit itself, which you get. There's a nice bit of heft on this, so I'm just going to close this over here for the minute because it's just going to keep on slipping there and annoy me. So this is the new one. So I'm just going to pop out quickly the previous one, which has been very handy. And there it is there. So you can see there is a difference in size. However, the construction is pretty much more or less the same all around. So I'm just going to pop that over there out of the way. So there we go. You've got a nice big screen. Your power input here. Power on button here. Let's start up. Got a kickstand on the back here, which can be set pretty much anywhere, as you can see. Camera on the back. And you can see the ruggedized build all the way around. It's bulletproof, this thing. Like, I have this one here, I've used it quite a bit and I've used it on other people's cars, and there's not a mark in it still. It's like brand new. So there is this starting now, just to give you an idea. And it'll cycle through with all the languages, then you log in, the usual stuff. So that's just a quick first look, unboxing of the new VD80BT Lite. And again, you can see on the back here, this is a kickstand as well, like so. Just one is bigger than the other, as you can see there. So stay tuned for the full hands-on review soon when we go through everything on it and see what we can do with it. And yeah, just have to cycle in, sign in the usual and get working, and that'll be it for now. Yeah, so watch out for the next video. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you. And any questions, drop them below. Talk to you soon.